Through the 7th International Environment Olympiad, we aim to create a platform for insightful discussions, innovative ideas, and diverse perspectives on environmental issues. We have assembled a panel of esteemed guests who are leading voices in environmental conservation, sustainability, and activism. It's my pleasure to extend a warm invitation to guest speakers who would raise environmental awareness. With their expertise and experience, they would enlighten and inspire us all. The greatest legacy we can leave for our children is happy memories of our adventures together in the natural world. And now it's time to invite Dr. Dhammadesha Ambalampitiya, founder president of the Colombo Children's Book Society. Dr. Ambalampitiya from Sri Lanka has a diploma in literature, BSc Sahitya Darshi honors, and PhD honors. An author, program organizer, freelance journalist, Mr. Ambalampitiya has many feathers in his cap, some of which include introducing the concept of one plant for every child. In 1978, he planted the first sapling at Police Park, Colombo, as well as in and around the country. In 2020, Finland offered him a gold medal as the best environmentalist. He also introduced Shishu Udana, first children's saving system, and it has become the most famous bank saving system. Introduced easy loan system, school bank system, etc. So let's put our hands together for the highly versatile and respected Dr. Dhammadesha Ambalampitiya. I now request Dr. Ambalampitiya to address the gathering.
Testing.
Respectable Dr. Gandhi and distinguished guests and my dear children. First of all, I like to address my children. I can remember one moment about a few years back in Kathmandu city. I started to address the international gathering like this. Ayubowan, Namaste, Namaskar, good morning, and Guten Tag. When they are hearing that word, Guten Tag, some group was shining and shouting and gathered there. Then I told Guten Tag, my friend from Deutschland, because that word also includes a very powerful way. What is that? Some German group shouted and come there and they praised our words. So after that, what has happened? That Kathmandu, the Prime Minister also there, and our ambassador also there. Ambassador came to us, our Sri Lankan group, and he was very happy. I make a very simple thing through my words. So he told, he appreciated our words, and he came to our place and he invited us, please come to the embassy. After that, what happened? We had a fun chance, 1 week time stay in Kathmandu. We traveled with the ambassador's vehicle and we got that very good conditions. Like that, I like to say, first of all, I have reached this global situation, success and everything, actually the shadow of the Dr. Jagdish Gandhi and Mahatma Gandhi's shadow. How is that? I like to inform you the situation. I made my first foreign tour in 1987. I went to Ahmedabad. Sri Lanka is a tiny island, beautiful island. From that island to travel abroad also difficult thing on those times. What for? After the international UNO meeting, they wanted to start a South Asian forum for children's rights. They selected myself from Sri Lanka because we are moving with the children for a long, long time. During that time, I had a chance to visit to understand the activities of the Mahatma Gandhi. We visited Mahatma Gandhi ashramam also. I understood my heart how he faced to escape this great land and how he faced to the people of India and all other countries. Those lessons went to my heart. Those lessons tried to change my ideas. After that, I came here about 20 years back to this great educational institute, CMS. I am the first person from Sri Lanka came to this place with my student. Unfortunately, this time I could not bring the complete number of students. Dr. Bandar, where is he? Dr. Bandar is there, yes. He is a university lecturer and the owner of the private university. He came with me and other few students. So, however, I am very happy because the students can improve their talents and everything. In brief, I like to inform you what are the things after having the Gandhi's concept, my life. I came a TQM, totally quality man. Yes, I made to Sri Lanka TQCs also, many thousand and thousand Cs. What are in brief, if I am telling, in 1960, the literacy rate was, Sri Lanka was only second to the Japan. 1980, it became to 9th place. So UNO addressed to Sri Lanka, don't be a naughty boy, come to the correct path, otherwise we will delete all your donation. Sri Lanka excited. So the government collected so many people around the world, intelligent people. They prepare so many lectures, programs, everything. And I highly respect Manorama Yafa from Lucknow, not New Delhi. She also came there. She advised me a lot to prepare this thing. And Tajeshi Noguchi from Japan, Professor Tajeshi Noguchi from Japan, they visit to Sri Lanka. They learn us, they teach us how the people, student keeps the correct way. Finally, I prepared a 5-year plan to develop the literacy in Sri Lanka. I hand out to our ambassador, Japan, UNESCO. He approved it, hand out to the Minister of Education. Finally, we work hard. After 5-year time, Dr. Bruce Kyle from UNESCO headquarters visited Sri Lanka to examine our activities. What has happened? He was very happy. He said, I visited all over the world to check out the UNESCO activities, but I have never seen like this excellent program like Sri Lanka. Final results, in 1989, I got the World Award as the best UNESCO literacy program maker. I am very happy about that. It was with great power. I came to Buddha Gaya to celebrate that function. In front of the Bodhi, I'm Buddhist, as a Buddhist, I promise in front of the Bodhi, I touch it, and till my death, I serve my children, not only Sri Lanka, around the world. So, I had a chance to keep the Sri Lankan children to a very certain level. All parents and the educators of our country helped me a lot. But I want to, it was a sad news, but I should say that UNESCO advised to keep the literacy rate of the children to prepare good books for them. So during that time, price of the children book was very high. Sri Lanka also very poor country. Our region not a big poor that. And now we are happy. Sri Lanka says, do you know, India is a loku ayya. What is the meaning of that? Elder brother. We are the younger brother. Like that, elder brother, we are rich, we can happy. You're also helping us to develop our literary economic situation all. However, now step by step, when you are going, be one part, after having the World Award, so many international independent groups of the world invited us to work together with them. International Child Foundation of the World, Washington, invited me, our society, join with them. After that, in 2008, ENO meaning Environment Online, that is the largest children's organization for environment in, where is that, Finland. I attended that international forum. I forward my speech. Actually, the basic was the Lord Buddha's life. He born under the tree. He got the enlightenment under the tree. He had a lot of bungalows, castles and every facility. But I see only the Lord Buddha is looking at the environment. He died under the tree. So I used that basic information to the world. All over the 40 countries participated. I introduced their one idea. One plant for every child. One plant for every child. Now it has accepted the whole world. It was caused to the change our cultural situation of the country also. Early days, when we are celebrating New Year festival, we take the cut in auspicious time, cut some trees. But we could enforce this idea now what is happening in Sri Lanka. At the New Year auspicious time, even from king house to that poorest person's house, they plant a tree. I'm very happy. That thing has got at the activity, a situation. Not only that, after first tree we planted in 1978 Slave Island police quarters. Participated over 100 children. Now some of they are very big people. One Dr. Galabadarachi is a famous scientist of country. He planted with me that tree. They are the witness. Anybody can't change the history. So many doctors, one deputy inspector general of police, Sagar Kiritpala, he also joined with me. Like that we have so many things. Now, after this program, every police station of Sri Lanka, there are a special, environment section. Those are our results. Every police officers of the country, when they are moving with the children, society, we propose to use the green color overcoat. They have mentioned the environment. Not today, even those time. We suggested, sometimes we will die. They don't know. But in our soul, that we believe that it goes to our soul. So, now, 1978, I planted the first tree. After that, when I was working in the Ministry of Education, I could organize over 350,000 children. With them, around the country, we planted many thousand trees. In 2018, I completed 1 million trees. Then what happened? ENO of Finland, in 2020 year, they offered me a gold medal for this victory. So, up to now, we have opened for students 800 libraries around the country. We trained over 2,100 authors around the country. We introduced 750 new authors to the country. So, dear children, when in 1987 we started South Asian Forum for the Right of Child. In Asia, we started in Kathmandu city under the SAARC Secretariat. I visited all SAARC countries to save the children's rights. I have visited all parts of the India at those times. We are visiting like a diplomatic person. We have the diplomatic powers, no visa, nothing like that. They respect highly. Once I our group meet with Mr. Late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi also. I can remember once he told literacy and the development is two parts of the one coin. It is in my heart. So we have to think, we have to respect them. Mr. Koirala of Kim, on that time there's a ruler, Kim Birendra, I can remember. I have written a very interesting book, Budung Upan Desaya Charikawa, a tour to the land where Lord Buddha born. It has approved by the government, it has approved by the several universities also. Yes, normally that is my situation. I am go and go, can't answer, because over 40 years experience now. That book I am ready to give you, anybody, to you can publish if you like. And now finally, as respected Gandhi said, we became TQM. We try now make TQCs also. Let us start our journey through environment. I am very special thanks for Dr. Gandhi. You have taken the great effort to improve the environment. It is great. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your success. Namaste.
Thank you, sir, for your tireless efforts in championing environmental causes and creating a greener and more sustainable world. Let's have a huge round of applause for sir.